Hey guys, it's Brittany. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning, then what's up? So today is Saturday and we're about to get our weekend started, and also we're gonna start a new vlog today, okay? So I should tell y'all what I did last night. I should have vlogged that because it was so fun. So last night, me and two of my friends, we got together and we had like a paint party, but we painted flower pots. I'm gonna show y'all my pot. I like it, it's so cute. So this one is mine, and I'll try to include a picture on either side of my friends' flower pots or all of ours together. But this one is mine, and I have a plant already to go inside of it, so that's that. It was good. I love hosting, so I'll be doing that a lot more, and I'll record it next time. And then so today, like I said, it's Saturday. I'm already dressed. I have to go to, well, I signed up to do some volunteer work. It's a flag football thing, and so I'm just working the tailgate. I don't even really know what I signed myself up for, but we're gonna find out today. I probably vlogged that on my phone and not on the camera because y'all, we don't need everybody in our business and they don't need to know. So I'll probably just get some footage of that on my phone, and then I'm gonna go to dinner later and go bowling, so that should be fun. I probably won't vlog that. Okay, I ain't taking y'all everywhere with me today, okay? But we'll see what we can get. This morning, before I get ready to go out, I'm gonna try to leave here at, I think, 9:30, because I want to go to like a TJ Maxx, Marshalls type place. So I'm gonna do that, and then but before I get ready to do that, I want to put some Mod Podge on my pot because I couldn't do that last night because it was still very much wet, and when I tried to do it, it smeared the black, so I had to fix that. But I want to put a little bit of Mod Podge on it just because, and I already have a plant to go inside of it. Let me go get my plant. I'll be right back. This is my plant that I got to put inside of the pot. I think it's so cute. I don't really know the name of it, so don't ask. I thought it was a cute plant and I got it, so I don't know where I'm gonna set this plant, but she's super cute. So let's just go ahead and get ready to paint my pot. We're gonna rig up something real quick because, yeah, I don't have all day. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how pretty it is. In your mouth, you speak good to me. Hey guys, today is Saturday. I did a few things yesterday. I did not even record anything. So yes, that was the flag football event. It was really fun. I enjoyed volunteering. I just got back from church not too long ago, and I also stopped at the grocery store. So we are gonna put some groceries away and prep some stuff for the week. So if y'all wanna see that, then just keep watching. Figured I'll show you guys what I got from the store. So I got some oatmeal, some quinoa, some cashews, some potatoes, this General Tso chicken. So this week I'm gonna try to make General Tso chicken with cauliflower rice. I got a whole lot of produce because I'm doing a fruit salad and I'm gonna do some juicing. So we got garlic, we have some spinach, grapes, cucumbers, pineapple, apples, chicken, cauliflower rice. I love these pickles, they are so good. Broccoli, and I did get these cute flowers. I haven't had flowers probably since I moved in here, so I thought I would get some new ones, some more. Popcorn, I got some coconut water to help stretch my juices that I make, and then almond milk. I need to find a better almond milk because I want just something that's a little more simple. I got some yogurt, and then I got these strawberries yesterday from this like farmer market type thing, and then one of my coworkers had given me a pineapple for my new house, so I'm gonna cut that one up because it is looking very, very ripe, and I'm gonna put that one actually in the fruit salad, so that's gonna be delicious. And then I have this kiwi too that I actually need to cut too. So that is that. I like to soak all of my fruits and vegetables before I go ahead and use them. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I got about 6 apples, I think. And I'm gonna put some stuff in here, but I haven't done it yet, so. I can break you the pot is finished. Y'all know that I put some sealant on it last night or yesterday. It looks so cute. Let's get the plant. So here is the plant. I'm gonna drop her inside and she looks so cute. I am gonna probably just put it on my bar cart. Cute. For now, she's just gonna live right there. It won't be a permanent place, but that's where she's gonna be for now. Let's go ahead and set up for our fruit salad. All right, this is everything for my fruit salad. I gotta get that kiwi actually, but we have apple, pineapple, strawberries, grapes, some honey, and a lime over there. That's pretty much going to be the extent of this fruit salad. Fruit salad is done. I'm gonna get me a little spoonful. So good. I don't know what it is about the lime and the honey, but it just like, it opens the flavors of the fruit up. That's what I'm gonna say. I have this. I'm gonna clean this off. Then I'm gonna go ahead and set some like little bowls up for the week. This is gonna help me in the morning, so everything that I need to get done is already done. I can just grab and go. So I'm doing like 2 spoonfuls in each one, I think. I'll do like 3 of them. I'll probably eat 1 today. And we have enough fruit to make a little more. This is gonna replace my sweet craving because I have it every day around 3 o'clock. And the girl is supposed to be unbigging her back. So with that being said, we are eating Nature's Candy, which is a fruit salad. And I have enough fruit left over that I can make some more fruit salads. I just didn't want to make them all, like cut it all up and go bad. I don't know, I just feel like it'll go bad a lot faster if I just, rather than leaving it whole. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in the refrigerator. Next on the docket is making our juices, but I need to clean this stuff up. All right, got all my fruit and everything. Now I'm about to cut up everything for the juices. I don't have to cut this stuff up very small. I kind of just cut my apples like in 4. Sometimes I'll cut them in 6 just to help the juicer a little bit, but technically the juicer that I have, I could put like a whole apple in there. So this is the size of the apple. I'm gonna cut it, I guess, in 1/4. So I'll cut it in half, and then I cut that in half. Sometimes I cut it a little more. It just depends. These are big apples, so I'm cutting them like cutting them into 6 pieces essentially. So yeah, but this is relatively quick. I'm about to just cut these up and get everything started.
This is what I say. Throw it up, dubs on the Cadillac, white tees, Nikes, gangsters don't know how to act, and I'm still bankhead, college park, call a home, homeless floating on chrome, choking on that homegrown. They got that southern cooking, they got them fellas looking, thinking I was easy, I can see it, that's when I say no. Shawty can't handle this, Sierra got that fire like,
gonna add some coconut water to these jars. I'm adding about 4 ounces. I do not prefer the taste of coconut water on its own. So yeah, we are gonna add it to this, and it tastes fine with it in here. I just cannot drink it by itself. So that is that. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jars. Hopefully I can make a little bit more. I'll need more jars, hopefully, but if not, it's all good. So this is all of our juice right there. I'm gonna get my little spoon, mix everything up, pour this foam off the top. I don't like the foam. Well, when you freeze it, you really can't really tell, so it's not really that big of a deal to me, but I kind of just like to pull it off if I can. So I'm mixing this up just so far, and I still need to do like actual meals. So we're gonna pour that in there. And I don't fill them all the way up. I fill them to about right there, so that if I decide to freeze them, it's not gonna be a big deal. I also try to drink 1 of these a day at least. Sometimes I'll be on my little kick and I'll drink 2 or 3, but this week it's probably just gonna be 1 a day. Whatever juice fills up in here is what will go in there. Yes, okay, that one went all the way up. So we won't freeze this one because we don't want it to overflow, so that will go in there. So we have a total of 3, 6, 9, 11, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. We have a total of 11. So I'm going to put 3 of them in the refrigerator because they are best if you drink them within 3 days if you aren't freezing them. So I'll do that.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you